This song is Aotearoa. So if you know Greta, I tipu I roto te kohanga reo. She grew up in Kohanga reo. Then I haere ki te Kurukaupapa, and then she started Kurukaupapa. So she does ka mohio ki te kōrero te reo Māori, ka mohio ki etahi atu o ngā mea te ao Māori. So she understands all that. So this is to you, my darling. So this is a song that she blasted right from Te Kura Tuarua, from high school right through until present day. So, usiro me moa. This is Aotearoa. My husband and I will start off and all the kids will just join us when they can. Kia ora.
They say she wears the pants by where the stick gets.
No te fixi, no te